Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with MJ. This is Murari. This is the second part of our Git learning session. If you are not check out the previous video yet, then please check out that video for better understanding. And I request you, if you are new in our channel, then please subscribe our channel and please hit the bell icon for the future updates. It will motivate us to create this type of informative video in the future as well. So in today's session, I will show you how you can change the visibility of your project. When I'm talking about visibility, so it means if you have created your repository as a private, then you can convert as a public or vice versa. And another setting I would like to show you that how you can delete whatever existing project you have in the Git repository. Okay, so let's come on our setting panel. So currently I have some projects. Okay, so for example, I have some projects, some of are public and some of are private. So for example, I will need to delete this project, so I will create here, click here and will go on the particular project panel. Here you can see the setting is available. When you will click on setting, so you will go in the below section. Okay, so here you have a danger zone, so it means by default it is indicating that whatever you are doing from here is essential activity. Okay, that's why it is called as danger zone. So currently for this project I will change the visibility first. So here this project I have created as a private, that's why it is showing me a change to public. So when I will click on change to public, so it will ask something, our consent. So I will click on that. It is something called term and condition. I will click on that and make this project as public. Then I will click on that public. Okay, so this project is now public. In my case, in the first time, it will ask you to provide the password for doing this type of activity. In my case, I already have provided a password. That's why it is not asking for me. Okay, so this is the first scenario that I would like to share with you. And another scenario for this project is, so the another scenario is, again, I will go, it is for how you can delete whatever existing project you have in the Git repository. So in this case, I will go and click again with the setting panel, and again we will go on the same location called danger zone. So here you can have something called changeable visibility that we already have seen. Transfer, you want to transfer the ownership and all, and archive the repository if you want to archive it. But in my case, currently I will go and delete the repository. So I will click on that delete this repository. Here you will have option, the message called please type this one in this text box. So when you will copy, you can copy and paste as well. So here you will paste, so it will be enabled, this button will be enabled. You will click on that. So in this case, this project has to be deleted from our repository. So this was the two things that I'd like to describe with you guys. So if you feel this video looks helpful, then you please subscribe our channel and please do not forget to hit the bell icon for the future updates. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.